Ever wondered about the importance of open-source vector databases in AI and machine learning? These databases play a pivotal role in the current tech landscape, offering unparalleled flexibility and freedom. They're the unsung heroes, silently powering numerous AI applications. But like all heroes, they face challenges, like dealing with complex data structures and ensuring efficient data retrieval. Despite these hurdles, the importance of open-source vector databases cannot be overstated. Open-source vector databases are the backbone of many AI applications. There are different types of open-source vector databases, each with its unique features. Some are designed for image and video processing, others for natural language understanding, and yet others are tailored for personalized recommendations. Remember, choosing the right one depends on your specific needs and priorities. So, what does the future hold for open-source vector databases? Well, it's looking incredibly bright. Anticipate advancements in areas such as image and video processing, natural language understanding, and personalized recommendations. The future of open-source vector databases is indeed promising. Want to know more about open-source vector databases? Visit justaitrends.com to explore more content on open-source vector databases.